Greetings! In PowerPoint, bookmarks are added to indicate points of interest in a video or audio clip. Bookmarks can be used to mark a specific location to jump, to trim the media clip, or to trigger animation effects on the slide. On the media timeline, click on the point where you want to add the bookmark. Use the backward or forward arrows to fine-tune the position on the timeline. Now go to the Playback tab. In the Bookmarks group, click Add Bookmark. Bookmark appears as circles on the timeline. The active bookmark is highlighted in yellow. To remove, select the bookmark. Go to the Playback tab. In the Bookmarks group, click Remove Bookmark.